Okay, well guys, in this video today I will show you how to take control over somebody's computer. Now this isn't illegal, okay, and I will not use Task Manager. Instead I will be using a free program known as TeamViewer. And let me just minimize this and show you what the program looks like. There it is, TeamViewer. Now it is free to download for personal use, but if you own a business you would have to purchase a license. Now, first off, I just want to say, use this at your own risk. It's actually a very safe program. I scanned it with AVG, so no virus at all. So first off, what you want to do is open your internet browser. Please, guys, be sure to visit our website, cyberfanatic.com. So anyway, we're gonna search up the TeamViewer.com. That's TeamViewer.com. I will leave the link in the description below. And we're gonna wait for the page to load. And once the page has loaded, you'll see that you come to this screen. This program can be downloaded for Windows, for a Mac, for Linux, and for the iPhone, iPad, and Android. So basically this works on multi-OS systems. Okay, what we want to do is go over here to the download section. Now here's where it gets tricky, okay? Okay, now the website should automatically list your operating system. The website recognizes that I'm using Windows, but if you have a Mac, you can also select Mac as well. But I have Windows, so I'm going to stick with Windows. And these two are the main downloads that you have to care about: for Instant Customer, TeamViewer Quick Support, and all-in-one TeamViewer full version. Now if you're giving support, then you would like to download this all-in-one TeamViewer full version, meaning if you are fixing somebody else's computer, then you should download this one. But if you are actually on the receiving end of the support, you would download this one. And since I am on the giving end of support, I will download this version, so I'm going to click download. And it should start to download. I will also download this one to show you the Instant Customer one, so I'm going to download that as well. Okay, so now that the programs have finished downloading, I'm going to minimize the Google Chrome I'm using. And in fact, I'm actually going to exit out. And I'm going to get rid of this one that I downloaded, and here it is. Sorry about that. Oh crap. Okay, excuse my language, sorry. Okay, so now we have TeamViewer and we have TeamViewer QS.en. And let me just get rid of this. Now one of them should say TeamViewer Setup, so you can see right there it says TeamViewer Setup. This is the full version that we've downloaded, and this is the quick support. So if I click the quick support one, it should ask me if I want to run, so I'll just click run. And now it should bring up a pop-up that looks something similar to this. Okay, once the quick support has loaded, you'll get a dialog box that says TeamViewer. It'll have an image that says TeamViewer Quick Support, and here you'll see your ID and your password. Okay, let's just bring this over to this side right here, and let's open up the full TeamViewer setup, and we're gonna click run. And we're gonna wait a few seconds for the dialog box to open. And you might be wondering why it's taking so long. It's actually taking so long because the recording software I'm using is taking up a lot of my system resources. So let's just wait a few more seconds. So I'm getting an error message that says please close TeamViewer before installing, which means I have to close this one. So I'm going to close, and I'm going to click retry, and hopefully this time it will work. And there it is. Now see, we do not want to install the software, because if we do, then the program will be installed in our computer. Instead, we want to click run. We just want to run the program to see how it works. That way we can actually use all the features that the program offers without actually installing it. So we're going to click next, and it's going to ask us to agree to the licensing terms of TeamViewer 7. So we're going to click I accept and click next. And finally, we should get the dialog box for the all-in-one support of TeamViewer 7 full version for personal use, of course. If you would like a business version, you would have to pay a couple of bucks for it. So I ran into a slight problem. The TeamViewer program will not let you run the all-in-one program the same time as you are running the quick support. So like I said before, if you are on the receiving end, download the quick support, and if you are on the giving end of support, download the all-in-one package. For this purpose, I'll be using another computer. Now I won't show you the video of the other computer. It's too much work. So you'll get something like this with the quick support. It'll give you an ID as well as a password like I showed you earlier. So basically, this is the ID I used earlier, but I'm just gonna delete that. And on my other computer, it is telling me that the ID is 336270197. And I'm going to click connect to partner. You don't want to click file transfer unless you are transferring a file from your remote computer to the computer you are now on. So I'm just going to click remote control, enter the ID, which is not this one. The other computer should have the ID. So I'm going to click connect to partner, and it's asking for a password. The password on the other screen should be under the ID. Now the password over here says 4323. No, you do not enter this. You enter the password from the other computer, which is 2860 on my other computer, and I'm just gonna click log on. Now remember, this is my other computer, as you can see. So I can prove it's two different computers because this one has user, and if I open my start menu, mine says Cyberfanatic with a totally different picture. And see, I have TeamViewer installed on this computer, and the ID I used is right there. And basically that's it. Now I can do stuff. I can type on his computer and type in msconfig, and the program will open up. I think this is very helpful because I have users on YouTube that require help. Now you cannot shut down the computer. I don't think you can, but probably, I don't know, I haven't checked it out, but I can fix their computer while sitting at my own house, at my own convenience. That's why I love this program. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to control somebody's computer using Google Chrome. Yes, you heard right, Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Visit our website at cyberfanatic.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will post all the video links from the video in the description, so check that below, and thank you for watching.